This is a fairly common drain-off cock, or simply a drain valve. I've taken this one completely apart so we can have a look inside and see how it works. You normally find a drain-off cock fitted at a low point in pipework, particularly on a central heating system. The bottom section here is the part that fixed to the 15mm pipe, and here we have a small sealant. Now, taking it apart, we have the main brass valve body. Inside here we have the operating spindle, the retaining and sealing components around the spindle, and at the bottom a small rubber sealing washer. Inside the body is the valve seat, which is the surface that the washer closes against. When you rotate the square spindle, you'll find that it will turn off the water. The next part is the components that will fit in between the 15mm pipe. There are two sections to this. The part that I'm fitting now, you screw that on. It doesn't need to go in too far. And then you put the rubber section on. The next part you fit on is the part that goes underneath the 15mm pipe. Now you just put it on temporarily for now. You don't need it up tight. It needs to be big enough to put the 15mm pipe in between. As soon as you've done that, you can put the pipe in. Now when you've done that, you can do it up reasonably tight. And then use an adjustable spanner, you can turn the mechanism, and that cuts into the 15mm pipe. And if you look carefully inside, you can see it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.